Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So it is time to put away all of the Christmas decor. I'm gonna start with packing away all of the decor on the tables because I like to save the tree for last. I only decorated the family room and dining room this year. So yeah, let's go ahead and undecorate for Christmas, and I hope you enjoy watching. So something I've been doing for a few years now is keeping the boxes for the ornaments and the Christmas decor that's breakable. I know I can go on Amazon and find some kind of storage bag or box with dividers, but the ones I've been seeing are really thin. They use like really thin material, and that's not going to help when it comes time for us to move. We are a military family, so we do move around a lot, and we are getting closer to our window for selecting new orders. One of those little flimsy organizers is just not going to work. If I went that route, I would still have to get like a heavy duty bin to put that organizer inside of, and I just don't see the point. I'll just use the boxes and go that route because it's not like I have a ton of ornaments, and the boxes don't take up too much space, so I can still fit all of my ornaments and decor that I really want to protect in one large heavy duty bin. And it's been working for me so far, so I'm just gonna continue doing it that way. Good morning everyone, and happy new year. So I wasn't able to finish up with the space yesterday, but I did go ahead and remove all of the ornaments off of the tree. I just finished that off camera. The only thing I have remaining is this garland, take down the tree, and I still need to put away this stuff, but that's all I have to do, and it shouldn't take a lot of time to finish packing away the rest of this Christmas decor. I don't know if I'm going to decorate with my everyday decor right now. I kind of want to just, you know, give it a few days to kind of gather my ideas on what I want to do. Because I was thinking about removing this standing table and putting a bookcase right here just to switch things up a bit, but I don't know yet. So yeah, I'll think about it. done putting away all of the Christmas decor. As soon as my husband is done working, he is going to put this stuff in storage. The space is pretty dusty because, you know, a flock the tree is going to leave a mess. So I do need to, you know, clean all of this up. All on the credenza. Coffee table is really dusty, and the dining room table as well. So what I'm going to do is clean all of that up. I'm going to remove the decor because I do want to make some changes in here. I have some new decor that I want to incorporate into these spaces, but yeah, I'm going to save that for a different video, a decorate with me. But yeah, let me just go ahead and clean up this mess. finished vacuuming and dusting and wiping down what needed to be wiped down. All of the Christmas decor is put away. The dining room is good to go. I do need to put like a vase on the table just so it's not bare like this. I'm not really going to bring in any decor like I said earlier, but I'll just put a vase with something in it on the table until I decide to really start decorating. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.